Hello everybody, welcome to Gurukul Kurukshetra online classes. I am Bhim. Today in this video you will learn about India's size and location. India, one of the ancient civilization in the world, it has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during last 5 decades. It has moved forward displaying remarkable progress in the field of agriculture, in the field of industry, in the field of technology and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to making the world history. Now come on the topic, that is location. Before going to start this topic, I'll just go to through latitudes and longitudes. As you learned in your previous classes, in 6th class, latitude and longitudes, what are latitudes and what are longitudes? So latitudes, that is imaginary line which parallel to equator in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere in north and south, that is known as your latitude. And your longitudes is also imaginary line which join north pole to south pole. These are also in eastern hemisphere and western hemisphere 180 each hemisphere respectively. Let us start location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between 8 degree 4 minute north latitude to 37 degree 6 minute north latitude and 68 degree 7 minute east longitude to 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer divides India into almost two parts. In this picture clearly showing your India's position. Entirely India lie in your northeastern hemisphere. Now come on the topic, that is size. Landmass of India has an area of about 3.28 million square kilometers. India's total area accounts 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. It has a land boundary of about 15,200 kilometers and the total length of the coastline of the mainland, including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. It is 7,516.6. Look at the figure again and note down that the longitudinal extents and latitudinal extents. The longitudinal extents of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, east and west extension appear to be smaller than the north. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence the time along the standard meridian of India, that is 82 degree 30 minute east longitude, which is passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh, and here time is taken as standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extents influence the duration of day and night as one moves south to this figure showing 7 largest country in the world. In the first rank Russia, after that Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and 7th place. Now come on the topic, that is India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian, the Trans-Indian Ocean route, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East, provide a strategic central location of the. Note the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe. From the western coast and southeast and East Asia from the eastern. No other country has long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has and needed. It is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justify the meaning of an ocean actor. India's contact with world have contributed through the age, but her relationship through the land routes are much older than the many times. The various passes across the mountains in the north have provided passes to the Asian travels while the ocean. So look at the प्यारे बच्चों इंडिया की जो एशिया के अंदर जो पोजीशन है वो सेंट्रल लोकेशन होने की वजह से जो इसके ईस्टर्न जो कंट्रीज हैं और जो वेस्टर्न जो कंट्रीज हैं ईस्टर्न जो कंट्रीज हैं उनके साथ गुड रिलेशन नाउ अंडरस्टैंड्स अवर इंडियाज नेबर्स India occupy an important strategic position in the south and India has 28 at present India has 28 states and 9 union territories. Our neighbor Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by narrow channel of sea formed by Pak State and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated in the south of Lakshadweep. And in the north, in western side, Pakistan, in North Afghanistan and China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. These all are our neighbors countries. So dear students, this is all about this chapter India's and size. I hope you understand all the contents clearly. Thank you and have a nice day.